let's make some earrings.
As you see in the video, how I make these earrings, basically taking the wood chips, right, painting them. You're painting them the colors red, yellow, green, and black. And then if you want to add your shimmer glitter, you can do that. If not, that's fine. Then when they're finished and they fully dry, I found this glue at Michael's Arts and Crafts store, and I just wanted to try it. I love it. So this is the first time I'm using this glue, and it locks and seals quickly, because all the other glues that have take time, like the epoxy it takes time to cure. Which those is the best, the epoxy and the E6000. They are best glues to use because they're long lasting and durable. I don't know about this. This is the first time I'm using this, so I'm testing it out. But I love that the UV light, locks it in instantly. So for the original purpose of this video, that is why I used it. So, but I think I'll be using it more and more because it's so quick. You're gonna let this first coat dry, and then you're gonna give it a one. Then you're gonna give it another coat. It all depends on you. I did 2 coats. If it looks too thin, I did 3. Like the green, I did 3. I let it dry, and that's it. So after you put the glue on, as you see in the video, let it lock in place, and then when you get to the last one, you could put your hole in before, and you could put the hole in before on the chip or after, as I did when I painted them. The only reason I put it after, because I didn't want the nail polish to lock in the hole and I couldn't bore it again, which you probably could. It's much easier, but it's up to you, your choice. So I did it like that. Glue it on, then you add your jump ring, and then you add your earring hook, and that's it. Your earring is done. Super easy, cool earrings to make, guys. And that's it. Super easy earrings to make. Love it, love it, love it. Hope you guys love it too. Now you have an option to take this gel clear glue and paint over the earrings, and then just use your machine, peel them in place. Alright guys, so the earrings are finished. I only did one earlier to show you guys, just to show you how it is. And you know, these earrings, I fell in love with these earrings because I saw them on Harlem on Angie's ear, and they're a nice, wonderful cultural piece on the red, yellow, green, and gold. I just love it. So I replicated them, and but I added, as you see in the video, I added nail polish to mine because I just love anything that shimmers. So for me, that's what made them pop. And I left the back of this one plain just to show you that you don't have to put the nail polish if you want, but you can still leave it plain. But I'm gonna put it on, but I just put a provisional video, I did this. But see, this is it plain. So this is it plain, and this is it with the glitter. You can have it either way. How cool is that, guys? So loving these earrings. Took a minute. It doesn't take long to make, like 15-20 minutes, but what takes long is the drying time from what I always say, if you want to replicate this again and make it faster, I would say get gel nail polish and use a UV resin machine. That way it'll make the nail polish sink into the wood faster. This is so easy, and see, it's so light, feather light. It doesn't hang on. There's no weight to it. Alright guys, so leave me a comment down below. Let me know, would you make these earrings? Would you replicate them? Because they are gorgeous. I am loving them. And do you love them too, guys? Alright guys, so next time in the video, I'll see you guys. Bye. Have fun just being creative. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Until next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.